Evening, dear children. This class is for class 5. This class is for class 5. Now, you finished your second unit test. You have not done so well. It's okay because you are not intending to attend the classes. Some children were missing the classes and some children were not paying attention. Everything is there. That is up to you. Now, today we are going to have a new lesson, that is lesson 8, a flash of light. A flash of light. Actually, flash of light, I don't know how you understand. Now you can change the world using the flash of light. Light is extremely powerful. Think about nowadays and think how many days in your daily routine someone may be influenced, regulated by light. In that way, yourself in the morning, waking up to right now, in winter, in summer, how this flash of light comes in your light. Now, flash of light is something different that we cannot say that. What is that called? A flash of light. Flash means to break forth in or like a sudden flame on or flare, to appear suddenly an idea flashes into yours or my mind. Now, flash of light. Suddenly we get some idea to do something. So it may be a nice thing. So like that one new idea comes for us. Now certain times in the class while doing the lesson, so I asked sometimes to you some suggestions, some improvement. So suddenly some children get a flash of light, some new innovation of doing, creative way of doing, some idea they get, isn't it? So it many times a flash of light is not something that you are flashing the light, some ideas to get. You understand the lesson? Some ideas to get. So here in this lesson they are trying to tell us how the blind people can be able to read in a creative way what has happened, isn't it? Now suppose you take some object and you ask someone to tie a cloth on your eyes. It's called blindfold. And some things will be given in your hand in order to identify them. So is it easy for you to identify? I don't think. Now very simple thing and you can identify. Sometimes in the blindfold, pencil, you know how long the pencil and how it is, because daily you are using pen. Some maybe some other things which you give, it is not possible in the blindfold to recognize you. So or else you do one thing, um, um, you tie a you tie a cloth on your eyes as a blindfold, and another person you ask somewhere to you direct you to another room. So for you easy to go with the direction of others. But what happens, the person who is directing, that is very difficult to take you and to lead you, because you can go, you are very confident with that person, what is that called, to go to with this with her or him, versus the person who is directing, finding very difficult, because you may move some other direction, the person has to bring back for you. The things may hurt you, or things may on the way may be something smashing. So like that, this is the blindfold. um, some with the instruction of other person. Now suppose I will tell you, go and get the books from class 5 you are sitting. With the blindfold, I will tell you, get the books from the library. So you are sitting in the class, you know where is the library. So what you, with the blindfold directly you can go to the library, catching to the wall your classroom. You go directly, you can get any book from the library and come back. You are very familiar with that. The same thing, if you go some other places outside the your house. Now suppose you are on blindfold, you are not able to bring the things. So this is the way you will find difficult. Now in section, the stories is divided in two sections. One is, sorry, three. From it was a cold day and Valentina walked briskly down the cobbled street to spare some money for a poor blind beggar. Now second section, from Valentina was a kind, soft-hearted man who was able to start a school for the blind. That is on page number 97 in the textbook. Now section 3, from some years later, a blind man called Louis Braille. That's the end of the story it comes. Understood? The three section it is divided. Discuss the main idea of the first section was this paragraph, which is the first two paragraphs of the story describes the situation and had introduced the character Valentina and a poor blind beggar. Valentina and the blind beggar. Now here there are some words. Meaning of this word, briskly means to walk quickly, glowing, very bright. Pavement, a paved surface or path at the side of the street for people to walk on. Rustling, sound caused due to the moving, rubbing together paper, dry leaves, silk, etc. These are which make the noise. Now important points to remember in this lesson is, the beggar asked Valentina for some money. At once he gave him a coin. Second point, the beggar was an honest man. He told Valentina that instead of a sou, he has been given a friend. One asking the beggar as to how he understood, he replied that he was able to differentiate by feeling the coins. Valentina was struck with an idea that if a blind person could distinguish at the least touch of a piece of money, then obviously he should be able to distinguish a mark, a letter, or a figure. He started in a school for the blind. Now the what is that called? How the beggar distinguishes. You see how the beggar knows this, isn't it? How he is able to know this. Now detail of this Braille system that he perfected. The alphabet is marked by raised dots on the stiff paper, which blind persons can understand by the touch of their fingers. Now how there are separate method of teaching these blind children. separate method. You cannot teach them like we teach ABCD. You cannot them. There is a separate teaching is there for them. Each letter in Braille consists of one or more raised dots that you can teach. When I am teaching the lesson, I'll explain to you. Along with these raised dots are smaller dots. Both of them form patterns that donate a letter of the alphabet. There are patterns for each of the 26 letters of the alphabet. So, that way, what is that called? They have trained the blind people. Braille system they have introduced, and they have what is that called? Trained them. This is what they have done. This is all about today's flash of light. I told you flash of light, nothing but a sudden idea, not that you are flashing the torch so you can see the people. No, this is wrong impression you are having. Flash of light means a sudden idea that you get something to do, and you are able to understand only that much today. Now what to know, page number 99. Tomorrow you read this, what is that meanings. Now avoid, to keep away from. Now keep away from, coblet, made up with the cobble stones, small rounded stones used for paving streets. Distinguish, to be aware of the difference between two or more people or things. Distinguish means distinguish. Now suppose you should know the difference between the, what is that called, sometimes we say difference. Suppose you have certain things. Now you cannot, both the things cannot be one thing. There's some difference with, now one what is that called, one child is getting 40 marks, another one is getting 80 marks. So there is a difference in the marks. Your what is that called, marks. Why? Because that child is studying in a different way, you are different. You are, both of you cannot get same way. So there is a difference, distinguished result you will have, isn't it? Distinguished difference. You have to find a difference between two or more people or things. People or things. Now the difference between orange and apple, shape is same, but they are different. And this is sour and soft, and that is hard, and what is that called, it is color in different. Donate, to give or present something, especially for a good cause. Donate. Now so many people are donating the blood in order to survive another person. Now some donate, that is the way donating. Now some money we are donating for the good cause. That here it is given. See, give, to give or present something especially for a good cause. Franc, a French coin worth 100 centimes. That's 100 centimes. A French coin, that is. Perfect, to make something as good as possible. Represent, to stand for something. Soft hearted, kind. So, a French coin no longer in use, worth of a franc. Trample, to tread heavily on something or somebody so as to cause damage or injury. So these are the words we have to go through and read them thoroughly and come. So one day you read this lesson, not you have to do anything. All of you have to read. Don't say, ma'am, I was getting exam is only 20 minutes. Sorry, 40 minutes exam here. You don't have a big MA BEd exam, so you can go through the lessons. Okay, okay. Thank you, and God bless you.